it's Hannah here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I finally received my December Simply Gilded box, the one called Growth. And now this one, first of all, the box is gorgeous. Look at all these beautiful patterns all around it, and there's rose gold foiling and the illustrations. Oh my gosh, I think this is going to become one of my favorite boxes of all time that she's done. And there's still, it's not like super pastel-y. You see there's this like grayish, deeper green color, which is quite unique. But either way, one reason that I already love it is because it is called Growth. And this box actually, in a way, kind of inspired me to choose my word of the year, which is growth. There's been little hints here and there for me. This word has kind of appeared in a lot of ways, and it's been kind of speaking to me in the past few months. So I just thought, you know, maybe I was gonna pick a word. Last year my word was onward. And this year I just feel like growth, like I said, it's been speaking to me. So when this box came out, it was like kind of the last thing I needed to pick that word. So having this box in my hands finally makes me super happy. And I really want to make a dedicated planner setup with this and this theme. I don't know if I'm going to make one specifically for my word of the year, but I just know I want to make a planner setup with all this because, oh, it makes me happy. Either way, let's just get into it, shall we? I'm super excited to see everything. Let's give you a beautiful close-up here. I think this is called a princess plant. I don't know the actual name for it, but I love the little pink leaves and this design of planter. I wish I could find something like that in real life. So either way, here we go. It's a smaller box actually than it's been in a while. So just a warning, I am going to show the mystery items, so if you don't want to be spoiled, then don't watch this video yet. I don't think I've seen the mystery item myself. Usually I'm spoiled by somebody else showing it on Instagram or something, but I don't think this time, so I have no idea what's gonna be. Ooh, either way, okay, here we go. Oh, I adore these colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, so excited, so excited. Okay, so here we have the card. We do get a beautiful sticker album. And I love this color. It's like a mix between like a hot pink and fuchsia, but kind of a warm tone. It's not like super, it's not like neon or anything like that. It's bright, it's happy. Actually, it reminds me a lot of, I had to grab my, it's the same, oh my gosh, my bubblegum pink Kiki K planner. It's my favorite planner of all time. And the color is like the same, so no wonder I love this pink so much. Either way, it's a sticker album with a gorgeous rose gold colored heart button, super cute. And love the scallop. So inside we have this green. It's actually not as grayish as this one. This is a little bit more bright, which makes me happy. We have a little pocket, and then we have all the sleeves. I love her sticker albums because it's a really clear, feels like high quality plastic, and it's a good size. And we also have a little D-ring here. You can put a charm if you want to, or if you want to attach it to a bag or something. Okay, so next little item here is something that is we do not get often, but I love these so much. All right, so we get a little key fob or key ring, however you want to call it, and we do not get these often. So it's been a long time since I received one of these. Either way, we have a beautiful leaf from this, I guess, same princess plant. And we have the kind of signature little heart ring. And there's a little bow here as well. I think she called this the puffy bows. All on rose gold, so super beautiful. I love to use this as like planner charms. Next up is also another item that has got me super excited because these are so beautiful. I just love these colors. It's bright, but it's also this muted, darker, like green color, which we don't see often with Simply Gilded, but I think it's a beautiful contrast. Oh, these were like, they were not stuck on here. They were just like laying like that. Oh, that's cool. Either way, these are sticky notes, but they are actually vellum. So if you take one off, you can see it's see-through. Like when you put it on white or something like that, you really do see the colors a lot, but it's very faint because it's like, well, it's see-through. So if it was a regular sticky note, you wouldn't be able to read what's beneath, but with this you can. I love this design. I think it's such a beautiful, I just love the design, and you can be really creative with this too. You don't have to use it as a sticky note to write on. I feel like you could get super creative with crafty projects using this. It's just so beautiful. I love this so much. I can't tell you how much I love this item. I love when Irene includes sticky notes, and these vellum ones I use actually a lot in my Bible notes because I like to be able to read through. I think it's really practical for a lot of reasons, but these are just beautiful. I just love them. I can't say that enough. All right, we have the washi and stuff in here. I'm gonna take that last. And I think I just revealed the mystery item. Oh my gosh. Whoa, what is this? Is it like extra stickers? Oh my gosh. Whoa, I have not seen anything like this from Simply Gilded before. Okay, this is interesting. How many sheets are there? Whoa. Oh, they're like on clear. On like a matte clear too. So these are beautiful, just deco stickers with rose gold foiling of different leaves from various plants. There's like a monstera. There's the princess plant, and I don't know all of them. These are beautiful. And it's like, I love that it's on matte, because I feel like when you put this on regular paper, it will almost look like it's printed on the paper, because if it's a glossy sticker, you can tell immediately that it's a sticker there. I love this. So beautiful. Gotta move on. I could stare at this for a long time. Oh, whoa. Look at this overlay. I hope you can see the sparkle. It's like a whitey, silvery holographic with bunch of like sparkle and stars and shine. And this have like a pink overlay. And we also get a beautiful rose gold one. These are foiled. These do not have the glitter, but you can use these to put over full boxes to create a special effect. These are really versatile. You don't have to use them just for this kit. You could use them for anything that you want to spice up a little. That's so fun. And 3 extra sheets. Irene, that's so generous. Thank you. What an awesome mystery item. I especially love these. I just think they're so beautiful. Okay, so I'm still gonna save this for last. We have, yay, more paper products. I love it. So here are the specialty papers. Irene said she might not do these as often anymore because they weren't as popular when she did the poll, which makes me sad because personally I just love anything that's paper. And look, we even get 3 this month. Oh, I love it. I just have to make a setup. I just have to. Okay, so we have this beautiful acetate, as you can see, with these beautiful leaves and some rose gold foiled bows. So pretty. Adore it. And we also have this beautiful vellum with this. I just love this design. She just manages to create things that are like, they're cute, but they're chic and they're pretty, and little like so many styles, and they just work together. I love that. This is simple, just black and white. You could use this for a lot of things. Love it. And last but not least, we have this one with the beautiful kind of lilac-y, pinky color. My friend Desley of Desley Jane Plans, she would love this because she loves this color. I think of her when I see it. And let's see, we have the notebook here. Hold on, I'm gonna open it and get back. Okay, here we go. So this is the front. We have 2 of the beautiful leaves, the same ones as on the notepad. Kind of stacked like a little heart. I mean, how cute is that? And just simple like that. You could put something here if you wanted to, like a word or sticker somehow. And then we have this on the back, says glow up. And we'll see more of this, I think. But I think it's really cute. At first I thought it said grow up. And I was like, That's a little rude. I mean, sometimes I need to hear that because I'm a child at heart. Either way, this month, it is a dot grid, which it really often is. Next up, we have the stickers. I'm gonna go through the rest of them now. All these colors. Oh my gosh, like I said, one of my favorite kits. Like a lot of people during quarantine, I don't want to really say I've become a plant mama, but I've definitely gotten more interested in plants and taking care of them a lot better in recent months than I have in my whole life, really. So it's really, you know, the perfect timing for this kit. So we have beautiful full boxes here with beautiful rose gold foiling. And these at the bottom. Oh, I just love this kit. This is a really versatile one too. You could use it any time of year, I believe. Love this pattern with the date covers. What a cute little bunny planter. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. And then we have the stickers. So we have the icon stickers, and these are on that overlay that's really pretty in the dark green. Then we have date dots. Love that these are included. Oh my! Was this supposed to happen, or maybe I was just lucky? Oh my gosh, I got two! Oh, that's amazing! Maybe I was just lucky, but I love this because I love the color so much. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you to anybody, you know, whoever packed my package. That was a nice bonus. And then here we have the beautiful seals, the bow seals. I like to make little tabs of them sometimes, like for my planner, because there's usually two. You can put them together like that on your dividers, and it looks really, really cute. All right, so last but not least, we have this little packet. I love this new pouch that, you know, the washi and stuff comes in, because I feel like it's really practical and it's so pretty. I've never seen plastic zipper pouches as pretty as these. So these stand out, and that I like. Just look at this beautiful design, guys. I love it so much. So we have the pen, which is beautiful. I have to make a setup with all of this. I just have to decide what planner and what it's all gonna be for. I'm not sure yet, but it's all beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. I just love this green and this pink together. It looks so pretty. Here we have the journaling card. It's so cute, right? We have this kind of lilac-y pink again. I think maybe lavender pink would be a good name for it, with the different planters and plants. So pretty. I just love it. And here it says glow up. You see it really small. It looks like it says grow up. I can't get over that. I mean, I know it says glow up, but every time I see it, I know I will think it says grow up. And the washi. So I have my 5mm add-on, first of all. Ooh, this is a new foiling. I think this is a new Aurora Pink. I don't have anything in this foiling yet, so that's pretty cool. Then we have the beautiful deep green with the rose gold hearts and the hearts and vine, and this beautiful ombre with silver. Ooh, that's cool. That's like 3 different foilings in this one. That's awesome. Then we have the different washi that is included. Oh, so gorgeous. Sorry, I just love these so much. We have this beautiful plant one, probably my favorite. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it so much. And then we have this beautiful silver foiled ombre. This is probably variation washi. These are beautiful. Once again, it's kind of like the pen. I just love these colors together. And then, oh yeah, we have this beautiful like pattern that's the same as the vellum sticky notes. Oh, I love that because I love these colors and the pattern with a simple line, rose gold foiled. Oh, and this is a 2-pack. So the top one, I might actually have to open it because it looks like it's 1 washi, but it's actually 2. I don't know why they do this. So we have a perforated you know, header washi that you can use. Is this Aurora pink too? That's beautiful. And then we have this beautiful pattern, which I love too. Just so fun, super specific. I feel like this one I would only use together with the rest of the kit. Such a beautiful stack here. I love it. And these just are oh, so beautiful. And yeah, guys, that was the December 2020 Simply Gilded box. One of my absolute favorites ever. I just love it. I just do. Irene did such an amazing job with this one, with the colors, with the theme, with the designs. So cute. I just love all the little, you know, plant illustrations that she's created. So beautiful. Irene always kills it, as you know. So either way, with this unboxing, I can officially say that I've done 1 year of Simply Gilded unboxings on my channel. Ever since December 2019, I started doing monthly unboxings. I've had the box since the very first box. I have never missed a box, which I feel very thankful and lucky for. But I haven't always unboxed them. But now I have started, and I'm really excited to do it because it's really funny. You guys seem to like them too, which makes me really happy. I hope you did like this one, and January is super pretty. I can't wait for that one too. Already have kind of plans for it, which is really exciting. So yeah, stay tuned for more Simply Gilded unboxings. Those will keep coming. And with that said, I thank you for watching, of course, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.